Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you or guide you Disney inspired nail looks that are perfect for hitting the parks. Step by step guide. Number 1 design is Peekaboo Mickeys. Try out some Mickey's mouse ears that peek out of the corner of your nails as an accent rather than leaving them take center stage. Number 2 design is neon. These neon hues take Disney magic to a funky new level. We particularly love the contrast of the name of matte neon color with the overlying details characters. Next design is Toy Story. The fun of these nails is that the Disney reference isn't in your face. Instead, the design utilizes references from Toy Story just on the tips of the nail. Fantasia nail art. These stable Disney nails look exactly like the star printed hat that Mickey wears in Fantasia. Red and black Mickey nail art design. A simple Mickey Mouse mani, but make it fashion. Here, the look is practical thanks to short field nails, but fun thanks to the bold use of color. Aladdin nail art. This incredibly detailed design feature a different Aladdin characters on each nail. The extra length allows for more of a statement and more room on which to create the design. Baby Yoda design. Baby Yoda nails are a cute way to pay homage to your favorite Jedi. We like the stark white nail with the design elegance to just one nail on each hand. Bumby nail art design. These long Bumby nails are particular five fave thanks to their textured accents. Minimalistic Mickey. We love minimalistic nail look and this about a minimalistic as it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.